Hey guys, ID here. Welcome to the 8th episode of Design Journal. In this episode, we're gonna design a logo for a wildlife organization.
You got to let it go.
Today, I'll be designing a logo from a brief sent in to me by 30logos.com. And as you can see on your screen, it's from Harriet McKinney from Wildlife. And she says Wildlife is a non-profit organization that preserves the life and habitat of wild animals throughout the world. And the requirements basically are like they want a logo similar to the WWF logo, and they would be happy to use one animal in their logo, and they want an icon and they want a text with it. So basically, we have to design an icon, okay, with an animal or multiple animals as we decide throughout the process. And yeah, that's basically their requirement. So let's get into it. So I started off designing the logo. This time around, I got a picture of a deer because I thought it would be a good icon for the wildlife company. And yeah, I cropped the image to half so that I could get a nice symmetrical image of a deer. And I thought I got that. After that, I just started off using pen tool and tracing the image, kind of. So yeah, be prepared. This video is me experimenting and struggling to use the pen tool because I'm not very good with it. But yeah, this is what we have to do when we learn stuff, right? We make mistakes, we experiment, but I guess I got a hang of it by the end of it. But yeah, this video is, yeah, what can I say? So yeah, this video is basically 40 minutes of me struggling to use the pen tool. And what I did was basically I spread it up to about 8 times so that you don't have to watch me struggle for that long. But the footage itself is unedited in any way. And so yeah, so I started off with so I thought I'd draw like one half of it, and then since it was symmetrical, I can reflect it to the other side, and we'd be good to go. And how hard can it be, right? Turns out very hard because yeah, it was so super hard to make one side, at least for me. I don't know if you all or any of you knows a better way to do it, or any way where I can learn the pen tool, please let me know. I would really love to learn it. But this is my way of learning things. This is my way of doing it. I come across a problem and then I, just keep on practicing and until I achieve something. So I guess yeah, that's what I was doing, and I just don't know what to say because all this video, like the basic thing is ready by now. What I am doing in the rest of the video is just adjusting the anchor points, because when you're designing something, you can see the all the details, whereas when you see some logo or see a design, you're not that into it, so basically you don't notice that much detail. So with your designs, you're like super nitty gritty, and you want to fix all the problems with this logo, and so that's what I was doing. So this is basically the whole video that you're gonna watch. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. That's it. And so yeah, I was using basic strokes to do it, and then I converted it into shape, filled it basically, and then it revealed even more problems. So I have to fix them, and then I converted it into black, which I guess yeah was introduced even more problems because it increased the contrast, so I could see the the edges much more sharply, you can say. And so I was still fiddling with the anchor points to get the right match. So then I moved to the face, especially to the parts of the faces, to stylize them. And yeah, so currently my MacBook's fan is running, so maybe the audio, you'll have the fan noise. Sorry about that. Can't do anything about it. And so yeah, so I applied the stroke profile that I talked about, in my Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks videos. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down in the description so that you can also learn some of the tips and tricks that I use. And please suggest me some more so that I could, get better at them and save you guys some time. So yeah, so then I reflected the half and I started to expand this design so that like currently there were strokes and effects. I wanted to convert everything to shapes, so that's what I was after. So yeah, hold on, everything's gonna come out really fine. Yeah. Oh my god, the fan's ramping up. Yeah, so it's almost done. Almost done. The nose is done. Yes, and now it's time to expand everything. So I expanded it, and then it was me using the shape builder tool to unite it to one shape. And yeah, if you don't know about shape builder tool, I've also discussed about it in my tips and tricks video. You can check that out. Now this one, and then I have to change the type, or I have to give a logo type as well. So I was looking for a font that would fit with the brand and the kind of thing I was going for. So Proxima Nova Alt Bold, that's a big name. Kind of felt good in the lowercase form, and I turned it to about where it felt right. I added the trademark symbol because that's what they use in their emails and wherever they wrote their name. So I thought, yeah, that would work as well. So yeah, so then it was time to color the logo. So I was like, yeah, a deer is brown, so I chose brown for that. And since it was wildlife, I thought green would suit well, so I made the word life green. So this is the final logo, as you can see on the screen. I think it solves all or most of their problems because yeah, it's an animal icon that they were asking for, and I've built it with a good type. So I think yeah, it's a good job. But I'd really love to hear from you guys. What do you think about the logo, the process, and the videos in general? I'm really active on my social media and would love to have a conversation with you guys. So yeah, hit me up. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned because more stuff is coming really soon. Okay, bye.
You got to let it go.